What's the difference between and among? Between is used when something is in the middle of a space separating two things. The pencil fell between the books, which means there were only two books and the pencil was in the middle. Among is used when something is in the middle of a group of things, which means it is surrounded. The pencil fell among the books, which means there were more than two books and the pencil was surrounded by books. Between is also used to connect two periods of time. The bank will open between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. He lived in Japan between 1994 and 1997. Moreover, between is used to show the interval between 2 points on a scale or map. It fluctuates between 20 degrees and 30 degrees. Starting next month, there will be 3 new flights a week between Madrid and Rome. Between is also used to show a connection or relationship between 2 or 3 things. There is a contract between the landlord and the tenant. Can we keep this information just between you and me? Sometimes among is written as amongst. Amongst is more formal and less common. He just wanted to spend some time amongst friends. Between can be used for more than 2 things when they are identified individually. There is a new trade agreement between New Zealand, Australia, and Indonesia. Among is used to show a connection or relationship between 3 or more things that are not distinct, especially with collective nouns. There was disagreement among members about who should be the new club president. And that's the difference with between and among.